going to show you the features on this Conair steamer really quickly. So first of all, it's got this little water tank that pulls out and you just fill it up with water and then you pop it back into place. It does have a really small hole here to fill up, which is kind of annoying, but it's definitely not a make or break for me. And you just pop it back into place here. To remove it, you just pull this switch up and then remove the tank. It's got an on-off switch on the back here, so you just press this to turn on the power once it's plugged in. And then on the front, you press the steam button and that will start the flow of steam. What I like about that is that you can have the power on and it can be heating up, but it won't actually be pushing steam out until you press this button. The mode button changes the amount of steam that comes out. So depending on what type of fabric you're steaming, you may want more or less concentration there. It only takes about 40 seconds to heat up, so it's very convenient to use. I like that it can stand up on its own on the countertop. It's small enough to easily store in the closet, a little bit too big to travel with, but perfectly convenient for your house. And then it comes with multiple attachments. I typically just use it as is, but there's one that will help you pull the fabric taut. This right here on the top will let you put like a pant in it to create a crease in it. So depending on what you need, there's a lot of different specialties that this thing does, but it works so great as is. And I'm going to show you really quickly how it works on a shirt that I'm going to steam. So I'm going to steam this. Here's what it looks like before. And here's what it looks like after 30 seconds of steaming. So I would probably spend a couple of minutes on this shirt because it's super wrinkled, but it works really fast and efficiently. It's a great steamer.